These are visuals of the Prime Minister landing in Poland. A historic visit by an Indian Prime Minister in years. Prime Minister Modi has landed in Poland. These are the visuals of the PM landing in Poland on your screens right now. The Prime Minister will be in Poland for 2 days, beg your pardon. And it's the first visit by an Indian leader in 45 years. The visit comes amid tensions in Europe over the Russia-Ukraine war. We will be joined by my colleague Abhishek Kapoor on the story. As we see the visuals of the Prime Minister in Poland, where he will be on a tour for 2 days. He will also be traveling to Ukrainian capital Kyiv and is set to engage with the Ukrainian government there. We saw the Indian diaspora waiting in anticipation to meet the Prime Minister. Given that it is the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister in 45 years, we saw artists and dancers preparing for the Prime Minister's visit. Abhishek is joining us on this broadcast. Abhishek, what are we expecting out of this visit, which comes amid tensions that continue in Europe over the Russia-Ukraine war?
Well, yes. So as of now, the Prime Minister has landed in Warsaw, Poland, and he's going to be there till tomorrow evening. And the significance of this is that this is the first time in 42 years that an Indian Prime Minister has landed in Poland, a very important part of Europe, effectively called the heartland of Europe, the central part of Europe. And for an Indian Prime Minister to be visiting after this gap, Prime Minister has done that with many countries around the world. But in the case of Europe, to be doing this after such gap shows the kind of neglect that Poland would have suffered. And that is being corrected now, and so the Prime Minister would be re-engaging with this very important geography, and India would be re-engaging with this very important geography. And the fact that this is happening in the backdrop of the ongoing war in Europe and the change of power dynamics in Europe and the redrawing of map, effectively geopolitical, geostrategic map that's been happening over the last couple of years since the outbreak of war between Russia and Ukraine, with the Russia launching that military operation. And remember, in fact, it's believed that the Russian military maneuver is part of or a response to the change being effected in the geopolitical map of Europe with the expansion of NATO. But having said that, insofar as Poland is concerned, a very important country in Central Europe, and Prime Minister plugging that gap of absence of a visit by Indian leadership for good 42 years. Tomorrow, he will complete the visit in Warsaw and, in fact, move to Ukraine the next day, where he is going to be engaging with President Zelensky on invitation by him in Kyiv. And again, since Ukraine came out of the USSR, or the erstwhile USSR, no Indian leader visited Ukraine. And so that's important. So independent of the fact that Prime Minister is visiting Ukraine effectively in a month and a half or less than 2 months of his visit to Russia. And while when he was in Moscow, he was panned for being seen with Putin so often. And now that he's in Kyiv and is going to be engaging with President Zelensky, I think the critics would be silenced insofar as India taking or not taking sides in the Russia-Ukraine war is concerned. Prime Minister earlier, in fact, Prime Minister happens to be the only leader perhaps who has sat along with President Putin and looked him in the eye and told him this is not an era of war, and then again reiterated that the manner in which the war is going is not good, like he did in July, last month in Moscow. So in that sense, I think it adds to the stature of Narendra Modi as a global leader, that he can speak to President Putin, and then next month he can travel to Ukraine and Kyiv and speak to President Zelensky. Not that this is going to lead to any kind of a peace process starting between Russia and and Ukraine, both sides effectively looking for what happens post the U.S. elections in November, December, and which dispensation comes to power. In fact, Prime Minister Modi's visit is happening in the backdrop of increased intensity of war between Russia and Ukraine, with a counter-offensive by Ukraine to grab some Russian territory in the Kursk region, and Russia intensifying with its response. So I think this is going to be a very important visit on all aspects so far as India's foreign policy is concerned, vis-a-vis Poland, increased engagement with Europe. And
I would like to interrupt you there for a second.
Ukraine,
we are getting visuals of the Indian diaspora in Warsaw, Poland, where the Prime Minister has landed. You can see happy faces there as the first Prime Minister of India to visit in 45 years. Let's listen into these reactions.
सर प्रधानमंत्री मोदी आ रहे हैं, किस तरीके से तैयारी, क्योंकि हम अभी उनके होटल के बाहर खड़े हैं, काफ़ी बड़ा डायस्पोरा का जमहूरा देख रहे हैं हम, कैसे देख रहे हैं इस विजिट को और कैसी तैयारी है?
देखिए, इंडियन डायस्पोरा पोलैंड में काफ़ी वाइब्रेंट है और पूरे हिंदुस्तान से अलग अलग लोग स्टेट्स में और अलग अलग सिटीज़ में इंडियन कम्युनिटी रहती है यहाँ पर। दिवाली, होली, हर सेलिब्रेशन, हर इवेंट का सेलिब्रेशन, हर फेस्टिवल का सेलिब्रेशन होता है एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट। इंडियंस आर रियली वेटिंग फॉर दिस हिस्टोरिक विजिट ऑफ इंडियन प्राइम मिनिस्टर टू पोलैंड, यू नो।
Introduce yourself, please.
Yeah, Namaste, I'm Niharika. I'm one of the representative for POTA, Poland Telugu Association. We are very happy, like Modi ji is coming here. As everyone says, it's an historical moment. Like after 40 plus years, someone is coming to in Poland. And I feel like the relationship between Poland and India will be growing more and more. I'm very happy that I'm part of this event. Thank you.
Introduction, please.
Sure.
On Prime Minister's visit.
Of course. Hello, Namaste. I'm Anuradha. I'm also representing Poland Telugu Association over here. And yes, we do have a very vibrant community of Indians over here. And we feel it's quite a privilege and honor to meet our Prime Minister over here. And it's not easy to watch our Prime Minister that close. And we are totally excited today for today's visit.
What are the preparations for Prime Minister?
They're amazing, of course, and it's not like we are planned for this for last 20 days, and after seeing our JJ Singh's YouTube video, which went viral, and we all are like super excited, you see.